Front bumper skin removal, 1996 Honda Civic. Recommended tools will be a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm. We used both a socket and a wrench. Start by removing the two 10mm fasteners located under the front bumper here. Remove the Phillips head screw located inside the fender well here. Remove the screw in the opposite fender well located here. Next, remove the 7 plastic retaining clips located here and here. Remove the Phillips head fastener at the center of the clip. Once you've done this, the remainder of the clip will pull right out. With all clips and fasteners removed, you can pull forward on the bumper skin to remove it from the vehicle.